Welcome back, guys. Hope you all are safe and doing well in this pandemic situation. So, today we are going to see from where to start the competitive programming, or in lots of people's mind that they have questions. So, where do I start to competitive programming, right? So, I would suggest that first of all, learn any programming language, whether it be Python, C++, or anything, doesn't matter. But in one programming language, you must need to focus on data structure at the initial stage, like array, queue, linked list, stack, and so on. After that, you have to learn different kind of object-oriented concept like a class, object, and how to encapsulate it, or what is the constructor and stuff. Afterwards, you need to learn searching and sorting algorithms. There are different kind of sorting algorithms like quick sort, bubble sort. You can find it on Google, and you can just try to implement it in your own way. Then this is the tough part of the programming language, greedy and dynamic approach. Greedy might be simple, but dynamic is very tough. But after practicing, you are able to do a dynamic programming, and it's very easy to learn, right? So after practicing or mastering any one programming language, you are ready to go for competitive platform. So today we are going to learn about the Hackerrank and how it works and how you can start your competitive programming career in this field. So after login, when you scroll down, you can see this different kind of stuff what you have done. So basically, I do the Python the most because I am very comfortable. But lots of other, let's say, famous competitive programmer used to work with C++ because it's comparatively faster and very easy to use now. So after scoring down, just don't go for the problem solving or this interview preparation kit. It might be tough for you at the initial stage. Just go and start programming any particular languages what you have learned first. So like if you learn the C++, then just try to implement the program in C++. So after click on C++, you find different kind of problems. You can select the difficulty level, status, solve, unsolved, anything like it. So this is solve, like just click on the solve challenge, and you can see the problem statement, submission, leaderboard. Doesn't matter. So first of all, just look at the problem statement. So this is the problem, like you have to do this, right? Then this is the input format. Allow for this program, they will say that there is a one single integer input, so you have to take a integer input from the computer. Then this is the constraint, but for initial stage this doesn't matter for you, but afterwards whenever you are mastering in the competitive programming, it matters. Like sometimes there might be an issue of TLE error, so to solve that you need to mind that all the constraints. And this is the output format, like you have to give output in this format, and what you have to do, this is the input. Like for this example, the input is 5 and you have to write the output 5. Now if there is another example, like input is 8, then you have to print 8. Now what is the constraint, like 1 to 10 to the power 9. So in this example you can't do like static, like if the input is 1, then I will print 1, because the input is between 1 to 10 to the power 9. So you have to do like this, okay? And okay, that's the explanation. Now you have to complete the code, and after completing the code you have to run the code. This is not perfectly working right now, I just directly run it. So you can see there are different sample test case, and you have to must pass this all the test case, and then only you are able to submit the code, right? So whenever these all are green and you submitted within the time limit and there is a no such error, then you need to submit a code. Now when you are submitting the code, there are different other test cases which you have to pass, and then you will get the full marks. Like this problem contains 10 score, so whenever you pass all these 10 test cases, then you are able to get the 10 marks. Otherwise you are not able to get a full marks. Now let's see, half of the test cases is passed, but there might be issue in half. So what you have to do, just click on any test cases, and you earn the sum of hackos, right? So I have 840 hackos. You can earn by solving the different kind of problem and challenges. So you can just click on the unlock. It will use your 5 hackos, and you can see the problem, and after that you are able to change your code according to it. Now you can see that my hackos is, let's say, wait, let me refresh it. Okay, so you can see my hackers is 835. So it will consume 5 hackers to check a particular one output, right? So that's how you can start the competitive programming. There are other lots of competitive programming sites you can visit, like Hackerrank, HackerEarth, then CodeChef, Top Coder. LeetCode is one of the famous competitive programming platforms right now, and so on. So that's how you start. And if you have any query or any doubt, you can just write a comment in below comment section. Also, please make sure to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.